When you are running a startup, it feels tempting to put sales on the back burner. The product isn't perfect yet, there is fundraising to worry about, and everything feels like a moving target. But here is the thing, how you handle sales in those early days can shape your entire growth trajectory. Your early user clients are more than revenue. They are your first believers. Tracking their journey properly means you follow up constantly, never drop the ball, and build trust. That trust turns into referrals, wonderful storytelling case studies, and long-term value. With so much going on, knowing what to do next isn't always obvious. A clear sales pipeline helps you focus on the deals that actually matters, the ones that are moving, not waste time on dead ends. One of the best advantages of being in a startup is its speed. But speed without visibility may sometimes mean that you are going in a wrong direction. Tracking your deals helps you spot patterns and identify what works and what doesn't, so you can adapt quickly. Even if you are handling only a few leads now, what happens when that number doubles and triples? Having a lightweight CRM in place ensures you don't need to overhaul growth when growth kicks in. Honestly, you don't need complex dashboards. Start simple, track deal stages, conversion rates, and expected revenues. These insights can provide product direction, hiring process and sales, and investor collaborations. As a founder, your time is the most valuable asset. Automating things like follow-up emails, task reminders, can keep deals flowing without you micromanaging the entire process. A lot of people think that CRMs are too heavy for small teams. But tools like Pipedrive are designed for startups and small teams. It's intuitive, visual, and don't require a steep learning curve. You can set up and get running in hours, not weeks or months. This is a fair concern if you are pre-product and don't have actual users or any real sales pipeline. Maybe wait. But if you are engaging with real prospects, even casually, probably it's time. A light CRM like Pipedrive can give you structure without slowing down your existing sales process. Startups are cash conscious, as they should be. But there is also a hidden cost in lost leads, missed follow-ups, and disorganized communication. Sometimes a small investment in structure saves a lot in long time. Google Sheets, sticky notes, they all work, but until they don't. Once you start juggling multiple tasks, deals, and contacts, things slip. And that's when opportunity quietly leaks out of the door. Having a system isn't about complexity, it's about adding momentum. Tools like Pipedrive don't just help you close deals. They help you build a scalable and repeatable approach to growth. And when growth comes, you will be ready. Utkrist is a global premier partner of Pipedrive, and we are happy to give you twice the usual trial period, which is 30 days, without credit card, without any commitments, and access to all features. If you're watching this on Instagram, please check the link in bio to start your trial. If you are watching us on YouTube, please check the description for the trial link. And here are the contact information for you to directly get in touch with me. And I'll be happy to guide you. Thank you for watching.